Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's good to have you here. My name's Tom. Guys, again today we are going to be doing a Partner with Anthony review, excuse me. In particular on session 27, another really cool session. They're all good sessions. There's so much value in this course, and I know I keep going on about it, but it's super informative, this course. You know, if you want to know anything about internet marketing and email marketing, you know, digital publishing, digital marketing, this course has it in spades. An absolute abundance of information, and I keep saying it, if you're not involved, get involved. This is the one you want, okay? This is the one you want, this course. You can make money from this course, guys, and you can do it in a way that you can, you know, it's tiny little pieces of information all the time. You're not breaking off chunks of information and trying to, you know, mentally digest all this information. It's bite-sized pieces all the time. Absolutely brilliant. And for you guys out there that have been, you know, having a crack at trying to make money online in 2020, and you're getting all you know, flustered and frustrated, guys, I totally get it. Again, I say it all the time. I've been there. I've done it. I'm still experiencing it. I can't talk again. I'm still having experiences where I find myself getting frustrated. But you know what? I've put it down to, we get frustrated because we want to see results. No matter what we do, we want results. We want sales, or we want someone, you know, or we want, you know, paid for that sale that we've made, or whatever it is. But the reason I mean, I'm talking for myself. The reason I get frustrated is because I'm not I'm not a tech guru, but you don't have to be anyway. But you know, the younger people that understand the language of all this online stuff, for me it's all brand new, and I just find that I get a little frustrated with a lot of the terms that people use, how to, you know, even maybe, you know, get registered for an affiliate website or something like that. Sometimes it seems like the hardest thing to do, yet on other ones, on other sites, it seems so easy. We all get frustrated. As I say, I get frustrated, and I really understand your frustrations. I really do. But remember, the Partner with Anthony program has a tremendous amount of support through their Facebook group, their 24/7 group. There's a lot of people within the PWA Partner with Anthony program that will help you out, that have YouTube channels, you know, that sell traffic, solo ads and all that sort of stuff. And all you have to do, it's not hard to find them, because through the Facebook group you can find them, and reach out. Everyone's willing to help. I figured I'm going to dedicate a channel to the Partner with Anthony program, so that if anyone has any issues and I can help them with issues, then that's what I want to do. I want to help people. I got tremendous help from people that I did not know, when I think we live in a day and age out in the, I could say the real world, but I guess, you know, out in the everyday world, there's a lot of people out there, guys, that just, they don't want to help with anything. You know, you've probably experienced it yourself. No one wants to give you a car spot. No one wants to let you in traffic. No, you know, everyone seems to have an attitude problem. I don't know why. This course gave me direction. It'll give you direction because it is an absolutely crackerjack course as far as taking you from absolutely not knowing a thing to making sales, creating a YouTube channel, YouTube videos, creating Facebook ads, Instagram ads, all the social media stuff, you know, how to do Google ads. This course takes you from here and gradually just sends you up there, you know. It's so cool. There's links in the description. I'm having trouble talking today, guys. There's links in the description. Please subscribe. That'd help me out a whole heap for the channel. I'm trying to build the channel so I can provide more content for you sort of guys that are either in the program or guys and girls that are looking to get into something. Check the description. The links in there, they're there for your benefit, okay? There's a free training video for the Partner with Anthony program. There's another free training link in there for a YouTube program, which is not related, but I put it in there because to me it's relevant. If you want to make a YouTube channel, and it doesn't matter if it's for Partner with Anthony or, you know, on a channel on courses or a channel on anything, addictions, or, you know, the best, fastest cars or biggest houses, whatever your channel is, there's things that you need to know for your channel that are going to elevate your channel and scale your YouTube channel. So that's why I put the link in there. It's a young guy by the name of Matt Parr. He's an absolute expert when it comes to anything to do with YouTube, okay? Also, I put a link in there to my free ebook download. Now, that was just something that when I was doing the Partner with Anthony program, I just figured, you know what? I was getting ideas. I wrote them all down on paper. I didn't really know how to structure it, but I had all this stuff written down, and I paid somebody, what was it? I think it might have been $15, maybe $15. I can't really recall now. And they put it into, you know, like a categorized step-by-step process, of which I think there's only 5 or 6. It's not a huge read. It's just for anyone that wants to be an online entrepreneur. It's totally free. It's just an ebook. And once you download it, you got that forever. And as I say, it's just a bit of a guide to keep you on track as to, in my opinion, what I feel, you know, you might need to do. Of course, you can tweak it your own way and do whatever you want with that. And also, I said in the last video, some people keep telling me, oh, I'd love to join the program, but I have too much debt. There's a link in there to show you how to get out of debt and be debt-free forever, okay? Everybody's had debt. I know we're all in different situations, but this program does not cost a lot of money. You do not need a lot of money for this program. You don't need a lot of time. You definitely don't need a lot of effort. You do need some of everything, but not a lot of anything, okay? You do not need a lot of money, okay? You definitely don't need a lot of money. Follow Anthony Morrison on all the social media platforms. If you're not doing that, go and follow him now. He puts out amazing content, very informative content to give you guys the heads up. And he, you know, I've been listening to Anthony this year. I started in January, I think it was the 5th of January 2020. Every time I hear the guy talk, it blows me away. Absolutely blows me away. The guy is absolutely amazing. He is so highly regarded and respected in the online entrepreneurial world and even the offline entrepreneurial world, of which everything's online, but you know what I'm getting at. He has the respect of some very, very established people in the world. Him and his brother Adrian. And the reason that is because he's ethical. Simple as that. And he's out there to help people. That rubs off on you. And it's contagious. It really is. But anyway, I've been banging on for a bit. Sorry again. Session 27, you're going to be looking at your email marketing metrics. How can I don't want to give too much away, but it's very, very informative. It's a really good session, and you're also going to be looking at the reasons people fail with email marketing. And it's very important to really, with this session 27, just block out the distractions. I'm having trouble talking again. Block them all out and really focus on this one, because it is very important, because by session 27, you have built a list. Not complete, but you have got a few people on your list, at least a few hundred on your list. Yes, that's a small amount, but you can still make sales if you have the right emails. Now, Anthony gives you emails that you can just copy and paste and throw them in there. I wouldn't suggest that you do that. I would suggest that you alter them and give it your own spin. Make it your own voice. In the description, there's a link to Sean VOSLER's copywriting book. Man, if you want to know anything about copywriting, you need to get that book. That book takes you through everything there is to know about copywriting. And it's not difficult. You'll be surprised. You'll be surprised. Once you get the book, this Sean VOSLER, I don't know if you know this guy either, but Google the guy. Follow him on social media. The guy is one of the highest paid copywriters in the world, and he is so grounded and down to earth, and the way he thinks about things just makes so much sense. And I think a lot of the time, people that haven't been doing affiliate marketing and email marketing and all that stuff, I think sometimes we feel that these other people doing stuff are just so super smart and super clever. Yes, I'm not going to doubt that, but at the same time, they are real, grounded, down-to-earth people. And all they want to do is help people. So if you think about it, if you're not an asshole and you genuinely want to help people, and you have a product that's going to help people also, and it's not going to cost people thousands upon thousands of dollars, it's a win-win, because you're solving someone's problem, you're creating an income, you are a good person, you're helping people, word gets out, and you build and build and build and build and build and build. These people are incredible. And don't sit there and think, oh, I'm not going to need that copywriting thing, and I'm not going to need the other one, and I'm not going to need that. Every business needs tools, and you're not going to use tools all the time, but it is very good when you come to, let's just say now, okay, let's just say you have 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 people on your list, or even less. Let's say 500, 700, whatever it is. And you want to send an email, let's say just a broadcast email to your list. Not even worried about the autoresponder list, emails, sorry. Let's just send one broadcast email to your list with the right subject line, the right copy, put in the right context, you are going to make sales. It's incredible. Is it easy? No, it's not easy, because you really need to think about how it all fits in. And the mind, as I keep saying, once you get into this course, your mind just works differently. Okay, you're always thinking about, how can I solve someone's problem? How can I help someone? Guys, girls, check them links out. Just check them out. If you've got time, go through them. Just owe it to yourself. Do you know what I mean? By not doing it, I honestly feel by not doing it, you're doing yourself an injustice. I really do. Like I said earlier, this is the one you want. Partner with Anthony, it's the one you want, okay? Also, you're going to, in session 27, you're going to discover a new way to build your list. And I'm not going to elaborate on it. It's clever. And it's typical Anthony Morrison, very well thought out, very clever, very, very clever. And in session 28, I know I'm jumping the gun a bit, but in session 28, wow, you will not believe what he shows you in regards to email marketing, okay? It is fantastic. You're going to get another student spotlight. Again, real world figures, real world numbers. It's not a student that's making, $300,000 a month. It's a student that's putting in the time, putting in the effort, putting in the work, and getting the justified results because they're taking action, and they're always implementing and trying to do new things. Not reinvent the wheel, just little tweaks here and there, because this is the type of business that you always should be testing. Testing that opt-in page with that opt-in page. That Facebook ad with this Facebook ad. Always testing just to see, pardon me, what is working, because within a week or two on the internet, I don't know why, but things just change so quickly overnight. So do yourself a favor, check it all out. I'll see you for session 28. And remember, guys, the little saying that I've been throwing out there, live a life worth loving. Okay, think about it. Live a life worth loving. And just, if you're feeling a little bit stuck, reach out. I'm here, okay? I will respond. Just reach out. Let me know how you're feeling, how you're thinking. And just remember, tiny little steps. That's all it takes. You don't need to take a massive step. Just tiny, tiny, tiny little steps, okay? All right, guys, take care, and I will see you in session 28. All right, guys, bye for now.